Hello and welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to make eye-catching animated backgrounds for your product promos in Canva. Click Create at the top, then choose Videos from the menu. For this tutorial, we'll be using a landscape video format. Next, go to the Elements tab and type Drink in the search bar. Select the desired drink element from the results and add it to your design. Then, insert a blank page behind your main design. Change the background color of this new page as needed. Finally, add a text box to the page and enter your desired text. First, select the heading on your slide. Next, add a rectangle shape from the toolbar. Click and drag to spread the rectangle across the slide as desired. Once the shape is in place, click inside the rectangle to add your text. Type your desired content directly into the shape to complete this step. Start by creating your text on the canvas. Once you've added your text, it's time to change the font style. Click on the font drop-down menu, then browse through the available fonts. Select any font you prefer. Let's choose this one for our example. Next, adjust the size of your text. Click and drag the handles on the text box corners to stretch and resize the text box until your text is as large as you need. Now let's change the text color. Click on the text to open the editing toolbar, then select the color picker tool. Browse the color options or enter a custom color code to match your design. Finally, review your changes to be sure the font style, size, and color complement your project. Repeat these steps for any addition. Select both elements to group them together. With the elements grouped, right-click and choose Send to Back to move the group behind other layers. This ensures the grouped elements are positioned at the back, allowing other design elements to appear on top. Change the position by selecting the object you want to animate. Next, click the Animate button in the toolbar. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard to enable smooth movement. While holding Shift, slowly drag the selected object to its new position. This creates a transition between the original and new positions, allowing your animation to look smooth and professional. Release Shift when finished, and preview the animation to ensure the movement appears as intended. To add another duplicate, select the item you want to copy. Right-click on it and choose Duplicate from the menu. You'll see a new copy appear immediately next to the original. Repeat this process as needed to create additional duplicates. This is a quick way to create multiple copies of any element. Click the Preview button to watch how your project looks before finalizing. Here, you'll see both of your elements displayed together in the video. Review the combination to make sure everything appears as you intend. If any adjustments are needed, pause the preview and make your changes. Once you're happy with the result, locate and click the Share button. In the sharing options, select the Download feature. Choose MP4 as your file format for the best compatibility and quality. Click Download to begin saving your project as an MP4 video. Wait for the download to complete, and then check your Downloads folder to confirm your video file has been saved. Your edited video is now ready to share or use. You just learned how to make animated product promo backgrounds in Canva. Like what you saw? Hit like and subscribe for more